Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 countertop ice makers in 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading ice maker that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The ecozy Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. This sleek machine promises to elevate your beverage game with its chewable pellet ice. So, let's chill and find out if it's cool as it claims. First up, the ice. The ecozy delivers ice that's both crunchy and munchable. It's not your average bullet ice. This nugget ice melts slowly, chills quickly, and keeps your drink's flavors on point. Need ice fast? The ecozy has got you covered. In just 20 minutes, you'll have 7 ounces of soft, crunchy ice. That's enough to keep a small party sipping happily without any store runs. Don't let its size fool you. The ecozy might be compact, fitting snugly on your countertop, but it punches above its weight, producing a hefty 33 pounds of ice daily. Cleaning's a breeze with the ecozy's self-cleaning feature. It ensures every corner is spotless, giving you fresh and healthy ice every time. Just remember to dry it out before storing. In conclusion, the ecozy Nugget Ice Maker is a game-changer for ice enthusiasts. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet drink, this machine offers convenience, efficiency, and that perfect ice crunch. Cheers to that. Number 4. The Igloo Automatic Ice Maker, your countertop companion for fresh ice anytime. This sleek stainless steel machine is a space saver, perfect for any spot. Get ready for ice in minutes, wherever you need it. With a 2-quart tank, this powerhouse punches out 26 pounds of ice daily. That's a mountain of cubes to keep your beverages brisk. The built-in handle means mobility. Move this ice maker with ease, ensuring cool drinks at every corner of your party or patio. Wave goodbye to manual scrubbing. The self-cleaning cycle guarantees pristine ice, making maintenance a breeze and hygiene a priority. It holds 1.25 pounds of ice, ensuring your lemonade stays frosty. Plus, the removable basket means transferring ice is a snap. In conclusion, the Igloo Ice Maker is a game-changer for ice enthusiasts. It's quick, clean, and compact. Check dimensions, and get ready to elevate your chill. Number 3. The EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker Machine. It's sleek, black, and promises ice in a flash. In just 6 minutes, this machine churns out bullet ice. It's ultra-quiet, making 26 pounds daily, and the 1.2L tank means non-stop ice. Weighing under 14 pounds, the EUHOMY is your go-to for parties anywhere. Its compact design delivers smooth, bullet-shaped ice that's mouth-friendly. With smart sensors, it alerts you to full baskets and low water. Plus, a self-cleaning function keeps things fresh with the touch of a button. A see-through window and simple controls make ice making a breeze. It's energy efficient, saving your bills while serving up ice-cold refreshment. EUHOMY stands by their quality with a 12-month warranty and lifetime support. Any issues? Their customer service is just a call away. In conclusion, the EUHOMY Ice Maker is a game-changer for ice enthusiasts. It's fast, efficient, and user-friendly. Ready to chill? EUHOMY's got your back. Number 2. The Silonn Ice Maker, a nifty gadget for all your chilling needs. Fast ice maker in just 6 minutes, this machine pops out 9 bullet ice cubes. It's a 24-hour ice factory, producing up to 26 pounds with a 2L tank. Whether it's a seafood platter or a pint, the small cubes keep it cool. For drinks, go large and get that quick chill down. It's whisper quiet at under 35 dB, and the see-through lid keeps you in the loop. Full ice? It stops to avoid messes. Just add water, hit on, pick your cube size, and boom, ice. Lights alert you to refills or a full basket. A 5-second hold on the button activates a clean cycle. Compact and sleek, it fits anywhere, measuring 12.3 by 8.7 by 12.5 inches. In conclusion, the Silonn Ice Maker is a game-changer for parties or personal use. Quick, quiet, and user-friendly, it's the cool companion you didn't know you needed. Number 1. The AGLUCKY Ice Maker, a sleek addition to any space craving chilled perfection. AGLUCKY's petite frame packs a punch, fitting snugly in tight corners. Its portable nature means ice-cold drinks anywhere, anytime. This little wonder whips up 9 cubes in 6 to 8 minutes, ensuring a steady flow of ice, with a whopping 26.5 pounds daily output. Wave goodbye to noisy gadgets. AGLUCKY operates whisper quiet, blending seamlessly into your daily life while saving energy. Smart features with intuitive indicators, you'll never miss a beat. The machine alerts you for refills and when your ice bounty awaits. Choose from 2 ice sizes to elevate your beverages. The bullet-shaped cubes promise a smooth touch, no sharp edges here. In conclusion, the AGLUCKY Ice Maker is a game-changer for ice enthusiasts. Its efficient, quiet, and user-friendly features make it a must-have. Chill out with AGLUCKY. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.